Good evening everyone, it is Mitchell and welcome back to the channel and welcome to Disney's Vero Beach Resort. Me and Kayla are going to be spending a couple days here at Disney's Vero Beach Resort here on the coast of Florida. About 2 hours away from Disney, from Walt Disney World, so I'll put it up there. But we are going to be here for a couple nights and all this stuff, so we're going to take you through every one of our days. Actually going to be splitting it up into different days so we can do much. Today's video though will be extremely short because we got here way later than we were anticipating. Considering it is 8:30 at night, we were anticipating getting here like mid-afternoon. However, that didn't work out. So Kayla's currently checking on in, so make sure you do hang out with us for this weekend of fun here at Vero Beach Resort. And don't y'all worry, I will be doing a full resort tour of this place as well. This is my very first time staying at Vero Beach, and I'm really excited because Kayla has talked this up. So I do just kind of love all the stuff. Wow. Just walked right in and this is the lobby space. Oh my gosh. So we are staying in the inn building, so this is like the middle room space. And we do have a ocean view room, so it's gonna be really cool and exciting. So we actually came into the market, which is their gift shop, and they actually do have movies you can rent. And they even have like rated G ones, and they actually have it like listed out. It gives you a quick description. They will. I don't know why I kind of like this. Also, all the orange. Oh, look at the Mickey and Donald and Pluto, and there's Minnie in the rearview mirror. Oh, look, Donald.
How about we do Cruella?
Oh yeah, we can do Cruella. I do like this sign right here, the Vero Beach Resort sign. And they did say, because we did ask, they do have turtles out. Some turtles still out right now. And they said about 7 a.m. they usually have they do have experts out there around 7 a.m. So we're definitely gonna have to go check that out. Well, and they do have a really good size pin board in here. And we actually did trade for a couple pins in here, and if I remember to it, I'll take a picture and show you guys what we got. But I do like this a lot. Because this is also a vacation club resort, they do have places where you can buy like food things, and like our room's gonna have a like small kitchenette area, so I may go out tomorrow morning and get some food things. But I do like all the different merch. Like I like the shirt. Look at the button down long sleeves, and of course I gotta have some 100th anniversary stuff, and look at all the Halloween stuff. Oh, you can actually get the Donald candy corn sipper here. So it's at the Winds and Waves Market. Well, the nice thing is they do have the bellhop parts down here, so we were able to just grab one and then take it on up with us. I feel like also though, we do everything in our power to just always feel like we're going on a cruise, because we do all of our stuff with our cruise line stuff. Like we still have our Castaway Club thing, and then you got our Goofy thing from when we disembarked. So we gotta go up to the 3rd floor. So I do love the cards they give you because it says Disney Vero Beach, but then we got Crush and Squirt, mostly because of the fact that it's like turtles. So I'm excited, especially going out in the morning to talk to the turtle experts. Alright, so now we are to our room, and actually pretty close actually. This is 2331. What's pretty nice is when you first walk in, we do have like this little mini bar, like mini space area. I was like, that light should turn on. So, coffee pot, microwave, which Kayla's curious if we had, small fridge, place to hang things. Kayla, they put something on our door, but I don't know what, so Kayla wants to look at it. Nice little vanity space. I love all the decorations. This is the bathroom. Okay, they forgot to bring your bath bombs again. And they've got the Disney Resorts. Look, H2O Plus series still. Good sized bathroom. Kayla literally said, wow, being out there on the cruise ship for a while, then you got all the space. So this has got 2 queen size beds. Like I said, it's my very first time ever staying at Vero. But we do have an ocean view, but they do ask to close the blinds at 9. The drapes. And if you want to go out onto the beach, because we should have a beach view, and it won't be very good to see right now, so in the morning will be the best. We do have a small balcony. It looks like there are people out there with the little red flashlights as well. So that's cool. Get a better view of that in the morning. God, I was stuck. Oh, look at the little seating area. Ooh, look at the turtle picture right there. So this is one of the rooms that's kind of like what's called a lock-off, where you can have two rooms joined together. So usually that's the big thing about like the vacation club rooms or like the villas and stuff like that. So, but did Jerry look what it was? Mm-hmm. Ooh. Oh! It says have a magical stay. Oh, we got a picture of Goofy and Donald Duck. Your friends at DVBR, so Disney's Vero Beach Resort. Oh, look, the Ariel sticker. I kind of wish we got the sticker by itself, but I love that. Is there a place where they take a picture? Where is that?
They used to have a character dining in the morning, but I don't think they brought that back since COVID.
Huh. Oh, we did rent a movie, so we rented Cruella. But I do love this. So they actually give you the thing that says, the beach surrounding the resort is the most important nesting sites for sea turtles in the world. They need dark and quiet and flat beaches. And they have few simple tasks, so give turtles their space, keep the beaches dark, so turn off lights and close your curtains at night. Topple sand castles and fill in holes after a day at the beach. Cool. I like how there's like, oh, there's lights. I feel like there's, wait, what just turned on? That turned that on, and that, interesting. Wow. It's funny because I've heard the rumor that they've been going away from these like resort TVs, but like we have it here. But it's funny because we were just talking about that they actually still have the park hours for the parks. Like it didn't make any sense at Hilton Head, but it makes more sense here because I mean you're only like 2 hours away. But I do have a spa here, and they did talk about here's turtle season runs through October. You know, and all the stuff. So there's a lot of, it's very turtle heavy here. And they actually do put out signs say sea turtle nesting. Oh, and then all the rentals. They do have mini golf, so forget how to do that. So it is kind of the recreation activity. It's kind of the thing like they always give you when you first like check into some of these resorts. But like because of this being a separate beach resort, kind of like Hilton Head, they do give you all the stuff that's true for this week. So the slide hours, their beach rentals, but then here's their community hall stuff. You get anything with a dollar sign, meaning it is extra. So like we're here all day Monday, all day Tuesday, and we leave Wednesday. So they have all the different things to do. And then here are all the other like things they have throughout. So they have like tomorrow they have the kayak adventure. They have morning yoga Tuesday morning, poolside bingo, poolside trivia. Definitely have to do trivia because I feel like anytime we do stuff like that, we gotta do trivia. We have sea turtle presentation. Majority rules, 21 plus. Pen trading at 7 p.m. on Tuesday. And we're saying that they do have the sing-along campfire in the North Lawn. So lots of things to do. So here's a really cool view of like the lobby space. And like I said, we're in the inn. This is the middle building. They have the green cabin room right up there, which is like a bar and stuff. But I do like the fact that they have like a sea turtle in the middle of the floor, but it's a very, very pretty resort. Like I said, I'm really excited to explore more of this and also do a giant resort tour video as well. If any of y'all are curious, this is a honeymoon trip for us as well, because this is a couple weeks after our wedding and everything, so we're kind of making it a small honeymoon. We do have a dream honeymoon coming at some point. But this is going to be a fun couple of days as well. So, like I said, today was going to be a really short trip, a really short video, because me and Kenny kind of want to hang out. Starting tomorrow will be our first full day, so we have 2 full days here, and we check out on Wednesday. So it's going to be very fun, very exciting. I'm really excited to show you guys stuff because we're going to do a lot of things here. This is Kayla says. It's her favorite, one of her favorite resorts. It's actually her favorite. If you compare this to like Hilton Head and here, she still likes this better. And I'm kind of like it as well. So, but as I do head on back to go get with Kayla and watch a movie for a little bit, and I have to get some homework done, we'll see y'all tomorrow for our first full day here at Disney's Vero Beach Resort.